Hi guys, this is a demonstration of the project developed by Shweta and myself Prakash for the course ES221 Electronic Devices. So let's get started. The problem we are taken up is a car parking problem. Car parking problem. The aim is to improve the parking system of Ireding Andhra using the knowledge of electronic devices. We try to use electronic devices to detect whether or not a car is present in the parking slot accurately. Problems of the current solution available. Working of sensor with rain. Not every sensor works properly with rain. If not choose an appropriate model, the sensor may detect dog or a person standing in the lot. Assume we just place ultrasonic sensor in the bottom of the lot. It doesn't predict properly. It predicts anything that comes in its way. How feasible is the model? Feasibility is a big factor again. We can increase the accuracy by increasing the number of sensors, but again, it is not feasible. In the real world, there are different kind of people. What if someone parked their bike in the car parking slot? There is a high possibility that something goes wrong. So how easy is it to reset if something goes wrong? Our idea. We wanted to make a product which directs the kind of object that is inside the parking lot. In India, we can't expect a car to be always present in the lot. There's no surprise if we find a dog or a bike. What if a dog is present in the parking lot? It will just run away if you just horn. What if a bike is present? It depends on the person. Some could and some won't. Apparatus required. This is our solution to the car parking problem. As you see, the Arduino Uno is connected to the liquid crystal display with the help of wires, potentiometers, breadboard, and resistance. It displays whether or not the parking is available. The Arduino cable is used for connecting it to the laptop. Arduino is programmed using an Arduino IDE. Inside our spring model, we have placed ultrasonic sensor which measures distance by using the ultrasonic wave. The sensor head emits an ultrasonic wave and receives the wave reflected back from the target. Ultrasonic sensor measures the distance to the target by measuring the time between the emission and the reception. Our model. We tried to make a spring-based combustion system. Let's see how it works. Initially, ultrasonic sensor is placed over here and the target is this part over here. When the car comes over, the wood goes down and the edge of the tip of the wood becomes the target of the ultrasonic sensor. Hence, the ultrasonic sensor directs the movement of the vehicle. Now let's see a real life demonstration of the model. As you can see, initially the parking is available. Now we bring in the car. Here we assume it to be an object of 20 kgs. The spring compresses, the ultrasonic sensor directs it, and hence the LED display changes to parking is unavailable. As the car is successfully parked in the parking lot, the display shows that parking is unavailable. When the car comes off the parking lot, the spring compresses and the ultrasonic sensor detects it, and the display shows the parking is available again. Feasibility of the model. Here we listed out the cost of apparatus required. We can note that the cost of the Arduino is very high compared to others. Cost per lot will be low if the lot of parking slot, as Arduino is same for all. Problems of the current solution available. The problems we have solved most of the problems except for the reset function which can be solved in the future. Limitations. The current model can't find the difference when something about 20 kg is passed. Human can miss the compression system by taking long steps. Availability of the springs with very high stiffness may not be feasible. The future. A reset function can be implemented in the future. Better spring and sensor so that we can detect the displacement of the spring and hence calculate the weight approximately. One compression system for group of 4 slots. That is, in that we have to assume that no two cars come at the same time. Can make an app for distributing availability of the parking slot instead of displaying it. Thank you.